At some point, most sexually active people will be infected with human papillomavirus, or HPV. There are over 100 types of HPV, and most of the time the body eliminates infections without symptoms. But some strains can pose serious health risks down the line. Like HPV 6 and 11 cause abnormalities in the cells of the infected tissue, which can develop into genital warts. But another 13 strains can cause DNA mutations that cause cells to divide at a much faster pace than normal, propelling the development of cancerous growths. The cells of the cervix are especially at risk. Two in particular, HPV 16 and 18, are responsible for the majority of cases of cervical cancer, which is now the fourth most common type of cancer in women. It can take up to 20 years for cancer symptoms to appear, but with regular screening, we can discover cellular abnormalities in the cervix before they develop into cancer. Women over 21 can undergo a regular pap smear, where a sample of tissue is gently scraped from the lining of the cervix to test for abnormal cells. A positive test doesn't mean the person has cervical cancer, but rather that there are irregular cells in the cervix that could develop into cancer in the future. Patients are then either monitored with more frequent pap smears, or, for more severe irregularities, undergo a procedure called a colposcopy. This involves a doctor examining the cervix through a microscope and possibly taking a small biopsy of tissue for closer examination. In some cases, the affected tissue may be removed. HPV infections of the throat may lead to head and neck cancers, but for now, there's no equivalent of the pap smear for the throat. Using condoms helps prevent the spread of HPV during sex, and there are 3 safe, effective vaccines that all target HPV 16 and 18. The vaccine comes in 2 or 3 doses a few months apart, and it's only beneficial if you receive them all.